I just finished billing one of my government customers $70,000 for the last month for providing professional services. You're probably wondering how. Listen, guys, my name is Fox Wade, and I've been in government contracting for the past 4 years. I've won over $25 million worth of government contracts, and I'm going to teach you how to do the same. See, the government, federal, state, and local spends over $1 trillion a year. 500 billion of those dollars go to small businesses. Yes, if you're a woman-owned small business, disadvantaged, African-American owned, veteran-owned business, right? That money is for you. In my government contracting blueprint course, you're gonna learn how to find the opportunities, how to build your foundation, how to market to the government, how to build a response, how to partner with prime contractors, and how to submit your bid. See, I'm going to give you this information just like I've done for my company, Black Fox. So if you're ready to start your government contracting journey, click the link below to sign up today. Take advantage today. I gotta go, y'all, because I gotta get back to this money.